How to fix Instagram Reels comments in dark mode. So you might be in the position where you try to move into the comment section of Reels, but even if you have enabled the light mode on your device, the comment section shows the dark mode. In order to fix this issue, move into the settings of the device. Inside settings, head over to display and brightness. First of all, you have to click on dark mode. Wait for a few seconds and then once again click on light mode. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. If not, the next thing you want to do is to make sure that the application is up to date. Move into App Store and in the search bar, search for Instagram. Click on this app. Instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you're facing the issue. So simply click on update and update the app. Updating the app will fix all of the bugs and make your application run smoothly. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.